हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो हम कर रहे हैं मार्च का करंट अफेयर। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अलॉन्ग विथ USDFC हैज़ अनाउंस्ड ए USD 40 नैनोमीटर लोन गारंटीड फ्रॉम द रूफ टॉप सोलर प्रोजेक्ट इन इंडिया। USAID, यूनाइटेड स्टेट एजेंसी फॉर इंटरनेशनल डेवलपमेंट। Next question is, scientists of the which organization have developed a indigenous high electron mobility transistor HEMT। तो ये किसने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है? तो किया है IISc बेंगलोर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द बाइकल GVD दैट हैज़ बीन न्यूज रिसेंटली? रशियन टेलीस्कोप। As per the recent UN report, which country is to be record large increase in child and material death in South Asia 2020? India. As per the recent UN Trade and Development Report to 2020 update, what is the projected growth rate of India in 2021? 5%. UN Conference on Trade and Development released the out of the frying pan into the fire report as an update to the Trade and Development Report 2020. As per the report, the global economy is set to grow by 4.7% this year, faster than 4.3% predicted earlier. India's economy is projected to grow stronger in 2021 by 5%, showing a stronger recovery. It is estimated to contract by 6.9% in 2021. GRSE. Indian Navy carried out the passage exercise with the which country in the Persian Gulf under the Operation Sankalp? Bahrain. Niti Aayog has the partner with which of the technology measure to train student on a cloud computing? Amazon. Girl Gang, a track by the New Zealand singer Ginny Wingmore, has been announced as the official song which is a tournament 2022 IIC Women World Cup. Mukhyamantri Chiranjeev Yojana is the initiated by which Indian state? UT Rajasthan. Which international body is the latest to join India's coalition for disaster resilient infrastructure initiative? European Union. Which country has recently passed a legislation to legalize euthanasia? Spain. What is the India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2021? 139. Which institution developed the Energy Swaraj Yatra bus? IIT Bombay. What is the name of the India's first individually developed app store? Mobile Seva Play Store. Which country has hosted a peace of conference for Afghanistan recently? Russia. Which organization has extended its support for India's S2O waterwise program? UNESCO. Which country is to be conduct airborne radar survey to estimate the thickness of the Himalaya glacier? India. Which state has recently launched Dial 112 ERSS and State Emergency Response? State Odisha. As per the national accounts of the statics NAS 2021, the private final consumption expenditure of which section had the steepest rise? Health. When the International Day of the Happiness celebrated across the world as proclaimed by the UN? March 20. INSASCO consortium is the news recently. What does IN stand for? India. When it is the World Sparrow Day celebrated in every year? March 20. Sharnath Kamal Satyan Sutirtha Mukherjee, who where is the news recently for qualifying the Olympics as the player of which sport? Table tennis. Where was the TV summit organized virtual mode? Who is the set to be head of the government committee for manufacturing in the high technology area? Piyush Goyal. India has entered into the agreement with the which country for accelerating parenting precision? Japan. What is the Norjud Aryan and Precision New Year Festival? 2012 Istanbul Convention, which was the making news recently, is associated with which state? Domestic violence and gender equality. Divyansh Singh Panwar and Ilvina Volina, who where is the news recently, are associated with the sport shooting. Nebu Nivegam Europe is the first integrated knowledge system school has been inaugurated at which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Pabi Intita 200, a joint anti-terrorism exercise to be held by which organization? SCO. Which country is to be hold the Group Arabian Sea Welfare exercise near Globe for Oman, USA? Pepusa Muzra movement was a farmer movement that is happened in which of the Indian state? Punjab. What is the name of the bond that offer dedicated insurance against a volcanic eruption? Volcano bond. Nikayat Zareen and Gaurav Solanki of the India Society which of the sport? Nikayat Zareen and Gaurav. तो यह है बॉक्सिंग. कमलप्रीत गौर who has been selected for the Tokyo Olympic is associated with of the sport? Discus throw. Which day is celebrated by the UN this year and March 21 with the theme of forest restoration, a path to recovery and well-being, International Day of Forest. Which organization celebrated the World Pottery Day in March 20? UNESCO. Which union minister is set to implement the Ken Betwa project? Jal Shakti Ministry. Which Indian organization demonstrated free space quantum communication for first time? ISRO. Which country is holding its fourth parliamentary election in the last 2 years? Israel. The Union Cabinet approved the memorandum of the cooperation between which country in water and cooperation? Japan. The Union Minister is set to launch Poshan Abhiyan for the Algeria Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Which Indian film won the Best Feature Film Award in the 67th National Film Award? Makkar, Lion of the Arabian Sea. The Purvanchal Festival Mati is the celebrated in which Indian state? Mati, New Delhi. Which PSU has launched an e-editing portal named Print Paranit Power Grid? Defense Minister has signed a 1056 crore deal with which company for procurement for Tiraso light combined vehicle? Mahindra Defense System Limited. Which state UT has been lowered the age of alcohol consumption from 25 to 21? Delhi. What is the new limit of EPF contribution up to the which interest would be tax skipped as per the amendment made in the Finance Bill 2021 5 crore? What is the new limit of EPF contribution up to which interest would be tax expected as per the amendment made in the Finance Bill 2021 5 lakh? The Union Minister of Education has integrated the Shahid Bhagat Singh Samrak in which state? New Delhi. The global rating agency released report titled Global Economic Outlook GEO Fitch Rating. What is the name of the new scheme launched by the Prime Power Minister to provide LED bulb for cheap price? Gram Ujala. Which country, after being hit by the served throughout its nation water for 1 billion household? Taiwan. What is the rank of India's latest International Intellectual Property Index 40? What is the theme of the Water TV Day? Clock and tracking. Which country has recently proposed a uni-sponsored plan to end civil war in Yemen, Saudi Arabia? As per the Bank of American Security Report, by which year India expected to be third largest economy in the world? टू 231. Where was the meeting of the Permanent Indus Commission between India and Pakistan? New Delhi.